Running Nigeria's government costs more than running a small country. So let's talk about the National Assembly, the most expensive clubhouse in Nigeria. It's where 469 lawmakers, 109 senators, and 360 House of Representatives members sit, debate, and for the most part collect some of the fattest paychecks in the world. How fat, you ask? Well, Nigeria's lawmakers are among the highest paid in the world, even richer than US congressmen. Yet, the minimum wage in Nigeria is 30,000 naira per month, which is about $20. That means some lawmakers earn more in a day than many Nigerians do in a year. And here's the real kicker. The budget for Nigeria's National Assembly is 344.85 billion naira, which is $263 million for 2024 alone. That's more than what some small countries spend on their entire budgets. In 2023, it was 228.1 billion naira, meaning a nearly 51% increase in just 1 year. Meanwhile, the average Nigerian is still stuck in survival mode. Now, where does all this money go? If you ask them, some lawmakers might say that their salary is only around a total monthly pay of 1 million naira. Some may even say it was 600,000 after deductions. What they won't tell you, though, is that the amount that enters their accounts is way more than the base salary. So let's break down some of the lavish perks, aka allowances, that you may find your representatives and senators pocketing across the year. We have hardship allowance, because sitting in an air-conditioned hall and sometimes debating policy is apparently a hardship. We have newspaper allowance, because reading headlines about how Nigerians are suffering costs money. We have constituency allowance, furniture allowance, vehicle allowance, duty tour allowance, foreign travel allowance, recess allowance, severance gratuity, and so on. All of these pile up, and each Nigerian senator gets at least 20 million naira monthly in running costs, salaries, and allowances. Now, if you think these allowances are wild, wait till you hear about the wardrobe allowance, because a senator apparently needs designer fabrics to represent the people. In the 2024 budget, the National Assembly office received 37 billion naira, the Senate got 49 billion naira, and the House of Representatives was allocated 78 billion naira. The irony of it all, for all this spending, what do Nigerians get? A government that moves at the speed of a snail. Electricity? Unstable. Healthcare? Lawmakers fly abroad for checkups while hospitals lack basic equipment. Security? Citizens are building their own private security because crime is out of control. Education? Universities are on strike half the time. Yet, when it comes to approving their own salaries and benefits, lawmakers move at lightning speed. All of this begs the question, why do they get away with it? Simple. The National Assembly controls the budget. The same people who benefit from the spending are the ones approving it. It's like letting a fox guard the hen house. There's little accountability. Lawmakers promise the moon during elections but disappear once they get into office. There's no real political consequence. Nigerians complain, but the cycle repeats every 4 years. The system is built to protect itself. Even if a reform bill is introduced, guess who needs to approve it? The same lawmakers benefiting from the system. So, what's the solution? Well, some smart people have suggested performance-based pay. If Nigeria's economy is struggling, why should lawmakers get a raise? Link salaries to national performance. Of course, citizen awareness and action is key. Nigerians need to push for reforms. For that, they first need to understand what's happening. Hence, the need for a channel like this. Instead of spending billions on politicians, how about spending on infrastructure, healthcare, and education? At the end of the day, Nigeria's National Assembly isn't just expensive. It's obscene. It's a country where millions struggle to afford a meal, yet politicians enjoy the finest things life has to offer, paid for by the very people they are supposed to serve. And as long as this system continues unchecked, the real cost isn't just the billions wasted, it's the future of the entire country. Want to understand more about what the future holds for the country? Then don't hesitate to smash like on this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.